Is he gonna climb the tree? Climb up! Mom, picture. That's okay, we'll eat that one first.
You want to put your hand in there and get it? Savannah, you want to grab that one?
Of course she will.
It's a creepy little... Oh, my hand's too big for it.
You can get it, Savannah. Look it. Where's it at?
Hand in there.
Where is it? Can you get it?
No.
Yeah, you can.
Reach in.
You can do it. Look it. There's nothing in there, okay? It's fine, do it. Be brave.
Your hand fits in there.
Be brave, look it. There's nothing in here. If it was in here, it would have gotten my
It's
hand.
just a little tiny hole. Look close. See, there's nothing in there. Reach in and get it.
I can't.
You have to move closer. Come on, be brave. I promise. Hey, come here.